You make me feel so good, baby. Won't you just stop now and listen to me? I'll be the first to say I'm tired of all the games we play, and never been competitive, but you sure know how to play it. I swear I could not fake it. Heaven is overrated. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I didn't even try.
Yeah. And routine.
Congratulations. Literal na congratulations.
Si Joseph sweet. Sobrang sweet niya. Magkasama kami yan sa condo dati.
Madami, kaso mahirap magsalita. Tunay na kapatid. Yummy.
Open!
You make me feel like I'm alive. I swear I could not fake it. Heaven is overrated.
Love one another as I love you. Paano tayo minahal ng Diyos? You will sacrifice everything for your loved one. Joseph and Anne, have you come here to enter into marriage without coercion, freely and wholeheartedly? Yes, Father. Pag tayo po'y umiibig, nababaliw tayo. Sapagkat kakaiba po ito. Sapagkat natututo tayong magmahal ng kapwa. Suddenly, our whole life will change. Biglang iikot ang ating mundo because you stop talking about yourself, you stop thinking about yourself. Suddenly, your focus now is how can I give my life to this person.
May love life sa dating app. Ang galing ni Lord. May way siya na ginawa para makilala ko ang taong andyan palagi para sa akin.
That's why we are here in this sacrament. Because that feeling of love will be transformed to commitment. I promise that I will always choose you for the rest of my life.
Tayo sweet palagi sa isa't isa, pangako ko na palagi kitang iintindihin at uunawain. At higit sa lahat, hindi ako magsasawa, samahan ka at palagi magdala ng wet wipes.
Hindi ako mapapagod ipag-drive ang aking passenger princess sa anumang trip. I loved you yesterday, I love you today, and I will love you for the rest of our lives. I love you, my baby, my wife.
lost on a road headed nowhere without you. Didn't know all that my heart was missing without you.
Actually, may history yan kasi nung nandito na ako sa Manila, since wala nga akong friend, parang napagod na ako maghanap. Tapos, pinaray ko na lang kay God na sana nga may makilala ako. Tapos, nung nakilala ko siya, nanghingi ako ng sign. Then, binigay lahat yun ni God. So, yun, parang yun na yung end game.
Ano to? Delivery.
Sana magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. Maaalala mo sana ako tuwing ginagamit mo itong pabango ko.
Ay. Ba't walang laman? Walang 1,000.
Out of 5, 5.
Wow.
People of God, they are doing something that is not easy. We are a church. We will try all our best to pray, to support that these two will remain faithful to their promises.
Magkaroon tayong magandang future na hindi tayo maghihiwalay at magiging maayos yung pakikisama natin sa isa't isa. Maraming salamat. I love you.
Kung nandito siya, ayoko maiyak. I miss you. Yun lang. I miss you.
Thank you, anak.
Thank you.
Mahal na mahal kita.
I, Joseph, take you, Anna, for my lawful wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward.
I promise to be faithful to you, to love, and to cherish all days of my life.
I can't breathe now that you stand next to me. You make me feel
This life will not be very easy, but do not be afraid, because He will be with you. Just follow His message. Love one another as He has loved us all.